Hey everyone, welcome back to the Crypto ZX channel. You guys know what time it is. We're going to be talking about Turbo. Appreciate your guys' support, on a day-to-day basis. It's just absolutely amazing. Continue supporting, and of course, you will see the continuation of these updates that I bring you guys. So, if we're looking at the overall markets again, quite some red. Another day more red, and reason why that is the case is because nothing too major has even happened for Bitcoin. But despite that, you're seeing a lot of altcoins down right now, and again, due to that is because Bitcoin is seeing a little bit of a retracement, and on top of that, we're seeing a lot of volatility within the price of Bitcoin, which of course is impacting majority of the coins, especially meme coins. So Turbo is down about 4.1% on the daily time frame, but let's take a closer look and see what is happening right now. Before I get into that, guys, as always, just a quick disclaimer for everyone. Anything on this channel is not financial advice. Always do your own due diligence and research when you are investing in crypto. So looking at the price, 58.39, still about 2 zeros in front of the price, down about 3.3% in BTC comparative as well. Market cap holding at $400 million, and the 24-hour trading volume is at about $104 million right now. But what exactly is next? That is obviously the question that you guys have, and that is the beauty of doing day-to-day analysis. If you're looking at, Turbo's holders, 36,071 holders as of now, and despite the retracement that you're seeing right now within its price, you're still seeing the holder count increasing. And what does this tell us? Think about it. This tells us people are interested and people are dollar cost averaging into Turbo right now. And again, holder count speaks for itself. Anyhow, if you're looking at their Twitter, they have a lot of listings going on right now. Turbo is starting to get listed on a lot of centralized exchanges. Yes, we're not seeing those big exchanges that you guys usually tend to hear about, but still, more exchanges the better, because it adds more liquidity to the coin. Obviously this having the narrative of a frog coin, and on top of that, it is the first AI, generated meme coin, which gets a lot of people excited. Oh, AI, this and that, and all of a sudden everyone is, all over the place, because we haven't really seen something AI now when it comes to meme coins. And now after this came out, I'm sure there were a lot of other coins that launched, through AI, but this was the first one, and has that first mover advantage in a way. So that gets a lot of people excited right now. But at the end of the day, you need to treat this as a meme coin. A lot of people don't like hearing realistic things. You guys know I keep it 100% realistic on this channel. I'm not going to come here fake things to you guys. I keep it 100%. And, the chances of, Turbo surviving after this cycle are slim. Very slim, believe it or not, unless of course it gets listed on all these major platforms and it starts bringing some sort of utility. We don't know that as of now. We're basing it off of what we see right now. Of course, meme coins are high in demand, and that is why you are seeing the overall meme coin market having a market cap of $53.4 billion. But sometimes people don't like hearing certain things. Sometimes people just are so emotionally attached to a certain project, they cannot take some negative criticism regarding these projects. So that's what you want to not do. You need to kind of get out of that mentality. And again, I totally understand if you're new to the space, it's your first time coming into the space, people tend to think like that, but you don't want to be thinking like that. You want to be thinking with a winner's mentality, and how you do that is by not being emotionally attached and having a realistic target for a project. So if you're looking at Turbo up 32.1% over the past 7 days, seeing a 3.4% retracement. And I want you guys to remember, it's not only Turbo that's seeing a 3.4% retracement. Pretty much a lot of coins right now are down as of now. And I did say this to you guys yesterday, and I kind of triggered some people because I said we do tend to see more swings for Turbo, because obviously a lower market cap, listed on less centralized exchanges, and that's the truth. That is the truth. That does not mean Turbo does not have potential. We cannot speculate on Turbo. That's exactly what we're doing. But I'm not going to come here and make things up for you guys. So we need to be more realistic in the meme coin category. So if you're looking at BTC dominance, on the other hand, it actually picked up today. We're pretty much where we were on the 23rd of July. And if we're looking at BTC right now, let's give it a refresh live right now for you guys to really understand what's happening with BTC. So Bitcoin is making its way back down. It's currently sitting at almost $65,000. We're coming up to some very key support levels around the $64,568 price point. As I've been saying for the past few days, there is a strong chance that you do see Bitcoin retesting the $64,000 price point, and it's looking more likely than ever at this point that we actually do end up seeing that. So we'll see what happens with Bitcoin. That is the point of doing analysis on Bitcoin every single day. I know some people completely ignore Bitcoin, but not on this channel. We're going to talk about Bitcoin every single update. If you don't like that, then it is what it is. I cannot help you guys out. But anyhow, let's take a look at what's happening with our good old friend Turbo. So if you're looking at Turbo right now, this is pretty much, I think, the second or third day in a row that we're staying below the 68 resistance. Obviously, it's playing as a resistance right now, but a lot of people are still forgetting. And let me tell you what people are forgetting right now. Just from July 14th, just 10 days ago, you're still up 87.52% for Turbo. Let me repeat that again. Literally just from last week, you're still up. If you picked up Turbo, you're up 87.52%. It has seen a massive spike within such a short period of time. Reason why? It's a meme coin. And these meme coins can plummet really fast, and when market turns around into bullish spectrum, if you pick the right meme coin, it can move up very fast against the overall market. And that's exactly what you're seeing happening with our good old friend Turbo. But if we were to zoom in right now, obviously this has been supported by this range for, I would say, 2 days in a row. And it's really important to hold this support line, as I mentioned to you guys before as well. Some targets that people are talking about right now are the 50-38 zone. Could that be a realistic target if we do retest 64K? Let's actually look at that. So that would be a 15% pullback for Turbo. And yes, absolutely is a realistic price target. Just because the price of Turbo is going up really fast, we need to think the other way around as well. This is a riskier asset. This is not, one of the largest meme coins with large market valuation in terms of the size. It's still, a very low market cap coin and could be controlled by, 2 or 3 whales just in a snap of a finger. So let's be realistic, guys. The chances of it dropping down to that level that I've just mentioned are high if Bitcoin does retest $64,000, and it is looking more likely than ever that we do see that. But that does not mean that it's end of the world. If you go into this market with you do your due diligence, research, and invest what you can afford to lose, then it shouldn't really impact you, especially if you're in it for the next few more months for this crypto space. So what you should be doing right now is, obviously, if you don't want to get completely wiped out of the profits that you've made, which you could end up doing if Bitcoin decides to see a flash crash, then have your stop losses in place. So that way you are safe, and in case the price were to retest a little lower, you can reaccumulate. But that does not mean 100% that is going to happen. I'm just putting it out there. You don't want to lose those massive profits that you're making. But that is it for today's update. Let me know down below what you guys think. We'll see you tomorrow in Crypto ZX, and peace out.